welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Tonight is the most perfect night for a little fall evening routine. It is October 9th, and even though it does not feel like fall in Kansas City, I might as well romanticize my evening like it does. So this is a very realistic fall evening routine night in my life. I do have a little checklist of things I wanted to get done today. I'm not going to the gym today, so I figured it'd be a perfect day just to have a super cutesy, fall, cozy, realistic night routine. The first few things I have to do is take care of my to-do list / my chores. I am going out of town this weekend, so just kind of picking up around the apartment, getting some things put away. I do want to cook dinner and pack my lunch for tomorrow. I work tomorrow, it's a Friday, so those are two things I always like to get done earlier in my evening. And my favorite part of the evening is my self-care. I have hair wash day today, and I'm going to be redoing my lash clusters, so perfect night for a little self-care. And then the rest is just kind of setting the fall evening tone and getting ready for bed and getting nice and cozy. Please subscribe and make sure you guys comment on this video, and I'm so excited for this little fall night routine. Okay babes, so since part of my night routine tonight is redoing my eyelash clusters, I've let some of my falscara remover sit. So I'm gonna kind of just take these off and then let the remover sit even longer on my lash line so that all the bond can come off. So when I am ready to wind down in my night routine, it comes off so much easier. So I'm gonna kind of rub this around my lash line, let my eyelashes sit nice and bare, some naked lashes, finish up some more of my chores on my to-do list, and then hopefully by then we'll be ready to continue this night routine with some self-care. Okay, and just like that, the lashes are off. If you guys use any kind of brand of lash cluster, it literally doesn't matter. The Kiss Falscara remover, no matter what kind of like brand I'm using, always gets them off. Now I'm just gonna let this kind of sit on my lash line a little bit. I did use a little bit of makeup remover, so I might look kind of crazy because all the makeup around my eyes are gone. But I just like to let it sit so that I'm not losing any lashes, and I'm not kidding when I say I maybe lose like one eyelash in this process. This is such an easy way of getting my clusters off. And I had these clusters on for what could have been probably like 5 days. I'm gonna let this sit, and then I'm gonna check back in with you guys in just a few. It's a little bit later. I just got a shower. It is actually 7:19 and I have some skincare. Today is my eyelash day and then also hair wash day. So I washed my face really good in the showers. I used my Thayers, and then I also used my Corsex Snail Mucin so far. And then I'm just putting some CeraVe moisturizing cream on. Whenever I wash my hair, I like to towel dry it just a little bit before I start putting product in it. So the first product I'm going to put in is actually something newer to my routine. I normally use the normal It's a 10, but this is the It's a 10 Silk Express. It's just as good, honestly, if not better. I feel like it's just better for frizz. And I only do like about 4 sprays of this in my hair, and then I kind of just like work it through with my fingers. I don't use a hairbrush just yet, but I just kind of comb it through. And then on the ends of my hair, I use my Moroccan oil. I honestly shift through whichever oils I'm using. I don't have like a ride or die preference, but this one I have been using for a pretty long time. And then I will take a good clean brush and then start gently brushing all that through my hair. So once all of that is in my hair, I honestly am just going to either let it air dry or I'll use one of these. Since I'm doing my lashes here in just a minute, I am going to put it in a little twisty hair wrap, and then I'm going to get comfy and then start doing my lashes. Okay babes, it's lash time. So the lashes I have been using are Alice lashes, and I use the B&Q glue. I've gone through so many different kinds of sets and lashes and glues and all that good stuff, but these are pretty natural and I really like them a lot. You guys obviously saw them in the beginning of the video I'm actually on, but I really love them, and for sake of time of this vlog, I'm not going to film like every step by step of me putting them on, but if you guys want to see a little lash tutorial of how I do my clusters, just let me know. So here's the before. Okay, I did these ones a little bit more fuller, like towards the ends, because my last set I felt like I just had these little like flipped up pieces. So I feel like these are much more even, and I am only doing 14s, 12s, 8s, and then 14, 12, and then 8. And I think I took like 1/16 and split it in half and put them down there. I think they look super good and super cute. Okay babe, so I'm gonna start getting ready for bed. So I'm just going to brush my hair out and make sure it's back and in a braid. That's the way I like to sleep, so that I can keep my hair